Hello ye, this is test 1, question 9. This is, this is a big one, this is a multi-parter. So it's a piecewise function. I'm not writing the piecewise function. So for x is equal to or less than -3, it's 4. So closed circle because it's equal then or less than, equal to or less than 4. Just one line. Next one is for not including anything, -3 to 1 is -x minus 1 cubed plus 1. So that we'll do first is plus 1. So we'll x minus 1, but that moves it to the right. Flip it over the y-axis because it's -x is here, and then plus 1. So the origin is here, and it's going to look something like this. Pretty much 1, 2, and 3. So, and it stops about here. Nope, that's an open circle. So open circle about 9 and to 1. Open circle here. And for x is more than 1, it is an absolute value. -2, absolute value, x plus 3, absolute value plus 2. So, x plus 3, moving it 1, 2, 3. The negative outside of the parentheses means you are flipping it over the x. So we're taking this, we're doing this, and then the -2 outside of the parentheses is we are shrinking it horizontally by a factor of 2. So we're doing this, and then up 2. So our origin is here. It's going down this way by half. That makes sense in my head. So 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. No. We are expanding by a factor of 2 horizontally. So we're going like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, there. 1, 2, there. 1, 2, there. And we're going right here. And it is an open circle. And it's not perfect, and it was never going to be, but line right there. So that was just part A. So fuck. Domain of the function is -infinity. That's an open circle, but that's a closed circle. To 1, union 1 to infinity. So this is the only point where it does not meet. Evaluate f -3. That means y is -3. It's right there. It's 4. So 4. Evaluate f of 0 is 0. Because 0, 0 is at the origin. F of 1. We already know 1 doesn't exist. Does not exist. So, solve for f of x equals -9. That's an equal sign, and that's negative. I could solve for it, or I could look for it. So that means y is going to be -9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's here. We're looking for pretty much this point. And we know that that is at, what is it, -7, 1. So we know we're going down 2 and past 1. So did I count that right? is here. I was up. It was a graphing error. So that's negative 6. So 7, 8 means that's 2. So it is 2.5. F of, well, yeah, equals 2.5, which is what? 5/2. Yeah. 5/2. Test 1, question 9. There you go.